The 10,000 calorie challenge. Done by many, but many people do it by eating shitty, high calorie food. But what if I told you I'm going to do the 10,000 calorie challenge eating only healthy food? I am aware that there are multiple rules for the regular 10,000 calorie challenge, such as no liquid calories, no throwing up, yada yada yada. But in my opinion, this challenge is a lot harder than the regular 10,000 calories of shitty food. With that being said, I will be making shakes during this challenge, and if you think that me making a shake with protein powder, peanut butter, and stuff like that is cheating, then I really don't care. All of the foods that I will be eating today are considered healthy by most people, and if you disagree with a food choice, then once again, I don't care. Not many people have done this healthy eating 10,000 calorie challenge, so there aren't really any rules. However, I do want this video to send a message that just because you eat healthy food does not mean that you will automatically lose weight. In this video, I eat a lot of calories, and if I ate this amount of calories every day of healthy food, I would eventually get very fat. So let this be proof that eating healthy does not equal weight loss. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace.
Yo, 7:15 in the morning. Just woke up. Gotta get a morning weigh-in, so we know how much we're weighing. So we're looking. Legs looking big. Pre-weigh-in, let's get it. I'm holding the camera, by the way, so it's gonna be a little lighter. 158.6. 158.6. We'll see where we are tomorrow morning. So, hopping into meal number one, we got a big breakfast. We're gonna have 6 whole eggs, 4 scoops of protein powder, 270 grams of cream of rice, and 2 servings of almond butter, so 4 tablespoons. Which comes out to 2,240 calories. So we're gonna have to weigh out 135 grams of cream of rice in each bowl. We're gonna microwave this one and then start making the other one. Alright, so one of the cream of rices is done. We're gonna put chocolate protein powder in one and then strawberry in another, just in case flavor fatigue kicks in. But first thing we're gonna put in is almond butter. So we're gonna put a serving in each one. Weigh out 2 scoops of chocolate protein powder. We'll throw some salt in, and then we mix that up. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other one, but we'll use the strawberry protein powder. Usually my meals are like 500 calories, but now we're making each meal at least like 2,000. Fun times, fun times. Now, as you can see, we're gonna be cooking up 6 eggs. And we're here with meal one. I would usually just say, I'm gonna go eat this real quick, but then I could just throw it out. So we gotta time lapse it. You gonna taste test? Pretty solid. A lot of shit, a lot of shit. I'll throw up the MyFitnessPal thing on the screen. We're just gonna get into it. So let's go. Alright, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I really gotta poop. A little quick intermission, and then we're gonna come back. We're just gonna leave this right here. Alright, now we're back. I'm not feeling too hot, guys. It's only the first meal. Dude, this cream of rice is so dense, bro. It's so dense. Fuck, dude. I'm just gonna assume that you guys are gonna trust my word on this one. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and I will come back to it later. But I need to go on a walk to digest, and then we're gonna go to the gym soon. But we will get back to this later. And we're back. Just went on a walk, and now we're gonna go to the gym. I would take pre-workout right now, but I feel pretty solid. I got a lot of energy. Had like 300 grams of carbs this morning or whatever it was, so we should have a lot of energy for this workout. So we're just gonna hop right into it. We got chest, biceps, and shoulders. Let's run it. that's the workout. Thought the workout was gonna be a lot better than it actually was. It was a decent workout, but nothing like super crazy like I thought it was gonna be. So kind of disappointed, but we're getting right into the next meal. Now we got chicken and rice plus a shake, but I still have to prep all the chicken and all the rice. So we're gonna eat this first, prep, and then come back and eat the chicken and rice. But for our shake, we have 3 servings of almond butter, 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 2 scoops of protein powder, and 2 cups of almond milk. This is the leftover cream of rice from this morning. I'm gonna put this in the shake. That's gonna be post-workout, and then I'll have chicken and rice in a little bit, so. 2 scoops of this. Big boy. It's a big boy. Let's blender. Looks like a shake, eh? Got our shake. Tasting fabulous. Now we're gonna walk over to the table of shame and drink up this shake. Alright, we're at the table. We got the fat shake. We're gonna drink this up and watch some YouTube. So let the time lapse go. Alright guys, shake, demolished. Just went on Instagram Live, was talking to the boys on there, you know. And yeah, the shake is done. I don't know how many calories are exactly in it, but you guys saw the ingredients. So yeah, that's down. Now we gotta go prep some chicken and rice and some ground beef for the rest of the day. We're gonna prep all the food so we already have it, and then we'll be good for the rest of the day. So talk to you guys then. And we're back with some chicken and rice with some teriyaki sauce, 600 grams of rice, and then I got 300 grams of chicken on top. This is part of the last meal, but now we're back like 30 minutes later, not even, I don't even know, eating chicken and rice. So let's just get it down, you already know. You never see the fucking TikTok where it's like, finish your meal, and it's like the meal, and it goes to a black screen, and it shows like whoever is on the fucking, you know what I'm talking about, That's what I'm just thinking about. I don't know, like I can't eat, bro. I can't eat. It's chicken and rice. I love chicken and rice. You know what I'm saying? But I want to throw up right now. If I do, I'll let you guys know. You can see there's that much left. I'm gonna throw it in the fridge, and we're gonna come back to it later. I need to take a poop. I need to get on the phone with a client, and then I'm gonna go for a walk, and then we're gonna come back and finish this. Probably cook up some more food. So you already know. You already know. Peace. And we're back. We went for a walk, did a bunch of stuff, and we're cooking the next meal. But while that's cooking, we're gonna finish up the meal that we didn't finish last time. Alright, that's finished up. We got ground beef and rice cooking right now. And I'll see you guys when that is right here. And there it is. Look at this shit, bro. Holy shit. This is 800 grams of rice, cooked rice, and 12 ounces of 80/20 ground beef. You can't see the ground beef yet because it's underneath. And I didn't want to mix it up because it's going to go everywhere. So we're just going to get into it. This video is just a lot of eating. I don't know what else to say. I mean, it's a 10K challenge. So I'm just going to eat. Fuck it. We're not done. But this is my strategy. If we just eat a little bit at a time, we come back like an hour later, you know. I'm actually gonna eat it, you know? I'm actually gonna be able to eat it. But right now, I need to poop again. I think this is the 3rd shit of the day. Like, I'm just pooping left to right. But we are gonna run to the store real quick and do a little grocery haul, grab some peanut butter and some bananas, because those are healthy, and I feel like eating some peanut butter and bananas, so. Grocery haul, back from Walmart. Show you guys what I got here. Gotta stay strapped with that chicken breast. If you're not getting chicken breast on your grocery haul, what are you doing? Hazelnut decaf. We got some bananas that we're gonna down later. This is where I might be able to actually do this challenge. is this guy right here. Alright? We got peanut butter. This stuff is dangerous. I'm gonna go put all this stuff away, and I'm gonna bring back the meal that I couldn't finish earlier, the ground beef and rice, and we'll try to finish that up. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, now, this meal should put us around 6,000 calories, so I'm gonna be honest, going into this, I was like, yo, it's gonna be a piece of cake. It's gonna be a piece of cake. Like, I could eat 10,000 calories in one sitting, bro. But, not today. I don't know. We're gonna get this down, and, see you guys, when I'm done. Alright, this meal's done. I don't know when I'll see you guys, but we're like 6,000 calories in. I don't even know. I'll probably put the calories up on the screen. If I don't, whatever. But I'm down bad. My stomach hurts. Might get up, go for a walk, do something. Gotta start moving. All these calories in me, gotta digest. You know what I'm saying? So, see you guys in the next meal. Alright, we're back. It was only like maybe like 20 minutes. I was just watching this podcast. I was feeling something sweet. We're just gonna eat some bananas. I got 3 servings of peanut butter, so 96 grams. Which is fucking insane. I think it's like 570 calories. Cheers. Cheers to some more calories. And we're gonna down some bananas and peanut butter. And yeah, I guess just run the time lapse again. You know the vibes. I just fucking dabbed, bro. I just dabbed. What is wrong with me? Alright, so I'm done. 3 bananas. There's 1 bite in there. And bro, if I put it in my mouth, I'm gonna throw up. So this is going in the fridge. And we'll get back to it later. We're gonna come back soon. But we're gonna make it through. We're gonna make it through, guys. Come on. Let's go. I'll see you guys next meal. Peace. And we're back. It's like 9 p.m. right now. I think it's time to call it. We're calling it. Psych! We're not calling it. I want to say we're around like 7,000 calories right now. So I'm going to make another giant shake and then see how my stomach reacts. And then based on that, we either eat more or we call it, or I don't know. We're just going to figure out what happens. But I'm going to make another big shake and I'm going to let you guys know what's in it once it's done. Boom! In here, we have that last bite of banana and peanut butter that I didn't finish. Then I put 4 more bananas, 140 grams of frozen strawberries, 2 scoops of strawberry protein powder, and 2 servings of peanut butter, which comes out to 1,126 calories. We're gonna down it, let the time lapse do its thing. Talk to you soon. Alright guys, Ben, tapping the fuck out. This shake is done, but I ain't eating anything else. According to MyFitnessPal, not saying MyFitnessPal is accurate, but today we ate 8,302 calories. So we're short like 1,700 calories. We did pretty decent. I don't think many people could eat this much of the food choices that I made, so pretty happy about it. Not feeling too good though. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me suffer in this video, and if you did, be sure to drop a like down below. Subscribe if you guys are new. You guys already know the jazz, you know. All my links are in the description below, and we out. Peace.